my groovy fans, ink it up, baby. Are you an ink person? If you are, you better hang with me all the way to the end. Hey, it's not boring. First, special thank you to Lena from Pen Boutique. She sent me out this beautiful, gorgeous bottle of ink, Montblanc, around the world in 80 days, blue. My opinion, I fell in love with it. It's some really terrific ink. So I'm gonna let you see what it looks like right now, because I can. I love this stuff. So let y'all see what y'all think of it. Isn't that awesome? Awesome. Okay. And we're going to let that dry. I put it on there nice and thick. All right. And I am, just for the heck of it, I'll drop it. I'm going to use this notebook paper as well to show you it's really good notebook paper. Notebook paper. It's really good paper. And the name of the paper is?
Ayush paper.
And it's called Paper Don't Judge. Isn't that right? Upside down. Okay. So here it is, and we'll look at the back. And there's no bleed through at all. Okay. I do love the color of this ink. So, while I'm thinking of it, let me go ahead and write the name down because I don't want to forget. And then we'll be done. And then later I'm going to come back with this same page and use a different blue. Okay? And this is the Montblanc. There you go. And that is a broad nib that I used it on the 149. Okay. So folks, what do you think about this ink? You may like it, you may not like it. I like it. So, that's the latest. Mashed potatoes your way. Be kind to a stranger out there. Do something thoughtful. Do something nice for somebody out there, right? Peace and love. And don't text and drive. We are out of here, my friends. Bye-bye.